don't panic just yet because NVIDIA's CEO just took a brand new position in a stock that could 10x. So that is exactly what we're going to discuss today because I did purchase a lot of shares in this stock that I'm going to dive into, and I believe it does have the chance to 10x higher from today's price and make a ton of money for you as well as my portfolio. So the man running the most important technology company on earth, which is the CEO of NVIDIA, so Jensen Huang, just went on CNBC and basically told everybody to do the same thing he's doing and buying shares into this company. So it's one of the greatest transformations in software history because it's really where software meets services and they're combining, which is very important. Now, that's a critical part to understand in the market, how software is becoming a service, because that's the prize Jensen Huang says is now up for grabs in this stock, and especially pointed at one ticker symbol, which is ServiceNow. You've probably heard about it, maybe not. It's a ticker symbol NOW. Bank of America basically just reinstated it at a buy, and the company's own CEO, Bill McDermott, told Jensen on stage, basically at Knowledge 2026, quote, "We're going to do $1 trillion in market cap too." And that's a bold statement. And then he tied his entire compensation package to hitting that number, 98% of his pay. So talk about backing up your numbers and really being bullish on your own company, tied directly to the stock's performance. And ServiceNow's market cap today, as making this video, is around 100 billion. So $1 trillion is basically 10 times that. Today, I'm going to show you exactly why this might be one of the cleanest setups to actually enter into. Basically, what Jensen Huang is saying is the stock market is missing this stock and super undervaluing it for how important it is. And we're going to get to a little bit just how important Jensen Huang is at actually predicting what happens in the market and with these positions. In fact, it's already kind of working because the AI rotation is just beginning. And so the obvious names have already run, and the real money is going to be made in the names institutions are still piling up quietly. And this is really how the market works. The actual institutional investors will get in first, and then the retail investors will hopefully catch the tailwind of it in the back end. So if you guys don't want that, obviously we cover the stocks first things first on this channel. So if you guys like that, make sure to subscribe and give a like to this video. So look, most people have never heard of ServiceNow, and that's partially by design. So the way to think of ServiceNow is it's almost like the plumbing. Every Fortune 500 you can think of, so Walmart, BFA, Lockheed, Coca-Cola, they all run ServiceNow underneath, kind of like the plumbing of their systems that routes every IT ticket, every HR onboarding, every customer service case, finance approval, even some security alerts tied to those, which is why we refer to it as the plumbing of these very important systems. It is the thing that quietly makes companies actually function at a good rate and $80 billion of workflows a year. That's the number they ran in the platform over just the last 12 months. This is not like a chatbot company or like some stupid AI. This is an actual operating system that is majorly important to massive companies. And here's exactly why it matters. But before we go into that, I want to help you build your portfolio. So if you're new to the channel, I do run a mentorship where I help you in all different types of market conditions, whether it's a bull market or a bear market, understand how to stay consistent in your portfolio. I'm going to show you the profits on screen right now for my students. If you want these type of profits in a bull market as well as a bear market, but most importantly, actually capitalizing on the bull market that we're in right now, then consider joining the mentorship. It's the first link in the description below. We trade live weekly. I give you all my trade alerts, entry and exits. But most importantly, I keep you up to date on the market. So then when you're at work and you're hanging out with your family, you don't have to sit around and do all the research yourself. Yes, I'm going to teach you exactly how the stock market works, but I want you to make sure to not lose out on massive gains right now. And that's the truth. Right now in the market, not everyone is up like crazy. Some people are just breaking even. Other people have completely missed the wave on the important companies. So if you don't want that to happen in your portfolio, make sure to click the link down below, apply to join my mentorship, and I would love to help you out achieve your goals in the market. But with that being said, back to the video. So right now in 2026, everybody thinks AI is going to like replace software in some way. We've seen some big declines in the software companies. Those are obviously coming back. And Wall Street has been dumping software stocks very aggressively over this past year. But the story of the new AI startup beats old company software is really oversimplified. Some legacy softwares will be replaced, of course. Not all of them will make it, and that's just how the market runs. But here's the fundamentals and the thesis why right now is the best time to actually buy into ServiceNow. And you're going to see why it's very exciting. So look at the charts and the fundamentals on this company. As you guys can see, we have gone through some decline, and this is potentially one of the greatest times to actually get into this company. Going back all the way to January and December of, as you can see, 2022, 2023, We're basically at 2 years back at that support level, which is amazing because look, it dropped through its recent highs back in 2021 and over here, the recent highs in 2024 at around 161. It did peak up in January of 2025 around 226, and now it's come all the way back down to 2-year support levels. Now, I draw this over here, which is really important because it did miss its recent earnings, and I'm not too worried about it at all. But I think this is one of the greatest times to actually understand this is how a good thesis on a company works. First of all, you have to understand the fundamentals of the company, which we just discussed. It's the plumbing of very important industries. Now, if we look at the charts and the fundamentals, every CIO, CEO will let you know that ServiceNow, for a fraction of the overall IT spend, does enormous work for the industry, which is why this company is a fantastic buy at anything in this range. For all the way from 186 all the way up to 122, and we have seen lots of volatility. That's fine. That doesn't affect my thesis because you have to understand how the thesis works on these companies. If it has a great product and has a good model, there's no reason why it would affect your thesis. The only way that I change my thesis is if there's new information that comes out or a lot of people are all on the bandwagon of ServiceNow, then I would consider taking profits and selling out, which is what I teach you in the mentorship. So this is what I think is going to happen. Over the next couple of years, obviously, I think we're going to have a big trend line up, but this is a great opportunity for the next few months as well to have a really good sharp recovery. As more people want to short the stock, it's going to cause a short squeeze. We're going to see a little bit of a lip up, maybe to 120, 121, 22, 23 in that range. But ultimately, what I think is going to happen is we're going to get back up to these highs around March of 2024 in the 160 range, which is why I put this resistance level. As long as we can break this resistance level, set up a good track record here, I think that's a good potential to see this stock run even further. So I think it'll go like this, kind of wave up and down, maybe come up. And as long as we don't hit lower lows once we pass this high, now it might seem a little bit of weight, but what comes down comes up quick. So we don't catch a falling knife. It will rebound quick, okay? Especially with the hype around it with Jensen Huang, we're going to see a lot of movement in the stock and increased volume as we're already seeing down here. If we go ahead and look at the indicators, let me pull up the RSI. If you don't know what this is a relative strength indicator or index. And as you can see, we're right at the middle. So we're not really oversold. We're not really overbought. You can tell the market when it does hit these overbought levels, it does correct. So I think this is a fantastic opportunity to load up on this company. But with that being said, let's go ahead and get back to it. So basically the big point here is what he's laying out is nobody is ripping out ServiceNow. It's more of a sticky business model. It's a very important tool and software to run a company of 200, 300, 400 people. Now extrapolate that in the biggest companies in America, and now you can see just how important it is. It already works too. So it already runs the business. AI doesn't replace it. AI gets basically bolted on to what's already working. And this is the $1 trillion idea here. ServiceNow already has the workflows, the data, the security model. They have the integrations and the compliance factor to actually behind the software. So all the boring stuff that nobody wants to rebuild, now you can actually stack AI agents on top of that service that's already working really good. The agents essentially inherit everything underneath it, and ServiceNow changes you for the agents. So this is what Jensen meant when he said service is a software. The whole service economy, even different like behind the desk people, claims processors, dispatchers, legal, HR, whatever it may be, just has been digitalized by agents. So running on ServiceNow, that is the biggest unlock to the future share price of this company. That's 100 times bigger than the picture we're talking about. And by the way, this isn't just a guy throwing out a number of, oh, I think it's going to reach 160. This is Jensen Huang talking. When we see him make predictions, they oddly enough come true most of the time. Like in 2025, he called NVIDIA at $22 a share, Intel at like $23, SanDisk at around $270. And those are, and just, like that's been one of the biggest winners of the entire year. He called CoreWeave at 40, Taiwan Semiconductor at 240. So people, when they listen to Jensen last year, made an absolute fortune. And obviously, people aren't right all the time. But when you understand the fundamentals of a company, it becomes very clear and why there's such a strong thesis, especially my thesis on the company, that's going nowhere and it's just going to improve over time. That means right now it's a fantastic buying price. So now he's pointing directly at ServiceNow after naming all those stocks that took off and basically saying, if you don't buy this or believe in it, you're stupid because you don't understand how the operations work. So again, if this all sounds a little confusing and you feel like you're missing out on these good positions, don't worry. That's why I opened up the mentorship. So go ahead, click the link down below if you want to know all my different trade alerts. Book a call with my team. We'll see if we can help you out. If we can, perfect. We'll trade together. We'll grow your portfolio. And I look forward to hitting your goals with you.